My name is Ron Ford. I'm the president of AGiiLE, and AGiiLE is all about barcodes. We do barcodes, barcodes, barcodes. My background is always been in computers. I started at IBM and then went to Honeywell's Intermec division, which is a manufacturer of barcode equipment. And from there, I started AGiiLE about 5 years ago, and we are now doing more in terms of barcode implementation, in terms of hardware, software, services, and supplies for companies, mostly manufacturers in southwestern Ontario and parts of Canada. The name AGiiLE comes from a spelling mistake that we made back in 1999 when we wanted to buy a .com. The only way you could get a .com address was to have a spelling mistake. So AGiiLE had to be with 2 I's in order to get the .com address. AGiiLE is predominantly working with manufacturers in southwestern Ontario, and mostly with companies that have inventory. And companies want to control their inventory, and they want to, kind of like the 3 bears analogy. They don't want too much, they don't want too little, they want just the right amount of inventory. And that's where we come in to help enable manufacturers to print barcodes and then to scan barcodes in order to manage their inventory. Barcodes in themselves are pretty cool. They enable companies to control their inventory and make sure that they're able to print the right barcode and scan the right barcode in order to track their inventory properly and in order to make sure that their shipments are accurate. So some of the things that we're doing in order to maintain that is to use the smart printing technology, where we are writing a program and it's actually residing on the printer itself, and the printer will prompt the user through a number of questions. The user answers the questions and they get the perfect label that can be then put onto the product. Some other things that they're doing is a quality inspection, where we're using a mobile computer like this, and again it prompts the user to scan the product and then scan the container itself, and if the 2 match, then we know that the shipment is going to be correct. My connection with TechAlliance goes back a number of years, where I first joined in order to take the Entrepreneur 1.0 program. And it was excellent to learn from a number of experts that came in, and a great start to help the company get off to the right start. Since then, I've been able to join a number of peer-to-peer groups with the entrepreneur, the finance, the CEO peer-to-peer group. And so meeting with colleagues in order to exchange ideas, share ideas, and basically support each other. Currently, AGiiLE is focusing on the hundreds of manufacturers in Ontario, and we intend to grow that business and continue to focus on Southern Ontario as well as Canada and the US in the future. Right now we're working on the smart printer programs as well as the mobile computer programming and customizing the programming to the customer's needs. Our focus is also on customer education with a series of videos and blogs to educate customers on best practices that other companies are using out there. And if we can share that, that certainly helps everybody. Our long-term goal with AGiiLE is to hire more employees, is to develop more software products, and to grow the company beyond Ontario's borders to Canada and the US. And we want to continue to help our customers become more profitable and efficient. For more information about AGiiLE and our products, please visit us at agiile.com or send us an email at sales@agiile.com.